Swiveling Staircase. This piece of furniture has a rotating part on structural hinges that allows access to the innermost portion, which has a large volume and can be used as a wardrobe. The outermost part serves as a staircase and has open compartments internally, as well as a series of oak drawers on the outside that can be opened with a push-pull mechanism. The ramp, made of drawers and equipped with simple railings, allows easy access to the upper level and the highest part of the wardrobe, which is usually difficult to reach. This combination of a piece of furniture and a staircase allows for full exploitation of the entire height. Work Table by Modbit. This work table is a unique and innovative piece of furniture that is perfect for creating a study space in small apartments. The cabinet has 3 built-in drawers and a chair, and the study plank attached with hinges can be easily pulled up. The chair inside the cabinet can be easily slid out and put back in as needed. When you're finished working, you can simply store your laptop, files, notes, and stationery items in the drawers, fold the plank back, and slide the chair back into the cabinet. The cabinet can be easily moved around your apartment on lockable cast-door wheels and is stable when you're studying or working. The design of this masterpiece allows you to easily create a study space in a matter of seconds and then return it to its compact form. Coffee Table by Team 7. This coffee table is a versatile and practical piece of furniture that can be easily adjusted to meet your needs. A small lever on the underside of the tabletop allows you to steplessly adjust the height of the table up to dining table height. The rectangular formats of the table match the widths of other tables, and the soft touch fitting conveniently opens the handleless, practical drawer with interior divisions for clear storage space. Credenza Guarda. The Credenza, with its various doors and drawers, functions as a buffet and has special fittings that allow it to be converted into a desk in an L shape, or a dining table for 4 people. The lower drawers also have the added convenience of being able to store folding chairs, saving space. This piece of furniture is highly functional and can serve multiple purposes in a single space. Anderson Slumber Couch. The Anderson Slumber is a unique piece of furniture that combines the features of a bench and a deck chair. It is made of strong and durable pine or beech wood and has a semi-lowered armrest on one side and a fully lowered armrest on the other. The couch also comes with pillows for added comfort. Wall Bed by Letto. The Costello fold-away bed is designed to obtain maximum comfort from the minimum available space. It offers the possibility of making the most of the spaces through the horizontal folding system, which encloses 2 beds. Wall fixing allows great stability and safety, while the frame of the beds provide for the insertion of a 15 cm high mattress. The bed also includes a climbing ladder and protection. The folding movement of the bed is assisted by gas pistons and allows the opening of even just one bed. Mobile Kitchen Island. Introducing to you the Smart Kitchen Island model that thousands of people love. Choosing and using a portable kitchen island flexibly and creatively will help the cooking space become more modern, luxurious, and convenient. The Smart Kitchen Island also has built-in cabinets or storage drawers, allowing you to store less frequently used tools and keep your kitchen tidy. If the kitchen becomes cramped, you can drag the kitchen island to the living room or out thanks to the roller system below to make room for a family meal with friends. Smart Learning Corner. With the main color tone being pastel pink for girls and blue for boys, Magic Furniture is sure that every little child will be thrilled when standing in front of a lovely cabinet. Super Product 3-in-1 Smart Cabinet, as the name suggests, will include 3 modules, a wardrobe, a smart folding study table with a bookshelf and a toy display shelf, and a creative corner for children. The product can be separated between the wardrobe system and the cabinet with a desk or forming an L-shaped cabinet to fit the child's room. Bookshelf Transformers. This bookshelf can be transformed into a versatile and practical addition to any home or office. Whether you need extra storage space in the kitchen, a place to display your favorite books, and decorative items in the living room, this shelf has you covered. With its adjustable design, you can easily change the shape and size of the shelf to suit your needs, making it an ideal choice for small spaces or for those who like to mix things up from time to time. Relaxation chair. Do you need a moment of rest, a nap, or a reading break? The relaxation chair is here for you. We present the Letto model as comfortably as it is practical. Kitchoo Kitchen. With its minimalist design and high-quality construction, it is a unique and unconventional choice for any small kitchen. The kitchen surface is made from the latest generation of acrylic resin, which makes it resistant to scratches, abrasion, dry heat, and acidic solvents. It also features an original sink with a retractable mixer tap that is integrated into the kitchen design. The hinges and slides ensure that the doors and drawers operate smoothly and perfectly. The Kitchoo Kitchen is a tiny kitchen that offers maximum pleasure and comfort in a minimal amount of space.
Hey guys, this is Megan and Madison here with Great Idea. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let everyone know in the comments below what you found to be the most interesting and why. Also, if you haven't done so yet, make sure to hit the bell notification next to the subscribe button to stay up to date with all of the latest videos here. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.